This is Apple Watch charger. And this is Maco Go, a coin-sized and tangle-free device that lets you charge your Apple Watch anywhere effortlessly and travels with you every day. It is easy to carry. You can simply put into your pocket or bag, travel with you, and it is always ready when you need it. You can charge it with multiple devices, such as laptop, smartphone, iPad Pro, power bank, and wall adapter. When you charge with the Apple Watch charger, it always rests in weird angle. When you remove the Apple Watch, it slides off from the table. Furthermore, you cannot charge it with the current MacBooks. You have to purchase an adapter in order to charge. Sometimes when we need to charge the Apple Watch, like forgetting to charge, stay over at someone's place, or traveling, but the charger is left at home. When we designed Maco Go, we have been putting a lot of efforts into the design development. You can charge your Apple Watch and your laptop at the same time. It is compatible with any type of watch bands. You get an optimal viewing angle when you charge it with an iPad Pro. We offer an optional adapter, so you can use Maco Go with any device with USB-A connector.